Yes, boys, in the last 24 hours, I'm up over $16,000, to be more exact, $16,016. And over the last week, and you can see, so this is not edited. Yes, I can change everything. Over the last week, I'm up over 46,000. And to go a step further of why you should even be watching this video, I'm gonna show you guys the proof. I can refresh this, no problem. Loading, loading, loading. Exact same balance, exact same profit, and everything in between. In this video, I'm not only gonna show you how exactly I did this, but by the end of it, you're gonna know exactly why you should ditch whatever strategy that's unprofitable that you're doing right now and switch to the 3M concepts. And you need to lock in. You need to listen to every single step. In the next 6 to 8 minutes, you're gonna have a strategy that you can replicate every single day. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna give you 2 free gifts. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, the way I'm gonna be showing you guys this strategy, it's super simple. It's under 2 steps, and it's gonna take me less than 6 minutes. Now, for step number 1, what we're going to be doing is creating our bias. This means that we're going to be using higher time frames to know if we're going to be looking for buys or sells in the lower time frames. And in step number 2, I'm going to step down to the 1 minute, which is the time frame that I used to enter. But you can use whatever time frame you want to use as long as it's under the time frames used in step number 1. And yes, in step number 2, I'm going to be showing you the exact execution that I use every single day. For step number 1, we're going to be using 3 time frames, but for this, it's only 2. The daily, as you guys can see, and the 4 hour. Now, what we want them to be doing is the exact same thing. Now, as we can see in this example, the daily is creating higher highs. How do we know this? Because you can see here, low, a high. Then the next high is higher than the previous low. Then the next high is higher than our previous high. Same thing with the low. The low, same thing with the low, is higher than the previous low. And so on and so forth. You guys can see this new high is higher than the previous high. And same thing with the low, higher than our previous low. Now, this makes it so that the daily is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So the continuation or the trend really that we have is a bullish trend. So when we go to the 4 hour right here, we're going to be looking for the exact same thing. And what can we see in the 4 hour? We have our low, high. This high gets broken up, so we get a new higher high and a new higher low, a new higher high right after, and a new higher low. You guys can see it, and so on and so forth. A new higher high and a new higher low. So then the trend overall using the 4 hour and the daily is bullish, because both the 4 hour right here and the daily previously are aligned, are bullish. So when we step down to the 1 minute, we can look for bullish structure, look for buys. Now, on the other hand, for this other example, we can see that the daily is breaking down, creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. And I can show you right here, we have a high, we have our low. It gets broken right here, giving us a lower high than the previous one and a lower low than the previous one, and so on and so forth. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So the daily in this case is bearish. So when we look at the 4 hour, we want to be seeing the exact same thing, which is bearish structure. So now let's head over to the 4 hour. We have our low, we have our high. We see that the high gets broken up, creating a higher high than the previous one. Same thing with the low, creates a lower low, a higher low than the previous one, and so on and so forth. So the 4 hour is bullish, is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, making it so that it's not aligned with the daily. So in this case scenario, guys, we're not going to be doing anything. We're just going to be sitting there and moving on to a different pair. We don't trade this one this day. And what we'd be waiting for is for price to start breaking down, creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. But for now, we don't do anything. Now that you guys know exactly how I create my bias every single day, we can move on to step number 2. But before we get there, I want to show you guys 2 things. I want to ask you guys to hit the like, hit the sub, and leave a comment, because I really do appreciate feedback and it does help out the algorithm. But for the second thing I want to give you guys, mainly the gift, is I want to give you access to not only my free course, but my free indicator, which is going to come in handy. You guys have seen that I am using an indicator here. You guys can also see this with your own eyes and with the rules that I'm going to show you in the free course. But if you guys want to be able to trade exactly like I do for completely free and have basically my eyes in your charts, you just have to have this indicator right here. And to get access to that, all you got to do is the following. You got to hit the first link in the description. Either that or is going to be pinned in the comment section. After that, you're going to join my WAP for completely free. So you'll gain access to the free course. You guys can see it right here. Free trading course right here. But also, and most importantly, you'll gain access to the indicator. And all you got to do to claim access is head over to the WAP. And in the WAP, you're going to see this channel right here called Indicator Access. After that, you're going to have to put your trading view username right there. And you'll have it in your trading view in the invite only scripts. And that's it, guys. Completely free. trade, indicator, and course. Now let's get back into step number 2. Now, because in step number 1, I showed you guys a bullish scenario, I'm gonna keep on building up on that and then show you guys exactly how I look for buys. Now, for the sells is the complete opposite, but not only I'm not here to just tell you that. I'm also gonna show you in the examples, which is what I'm gonna show you in TradingView when I break down the trade that made me $16,000. It was a short on Ethereum. This does work with everything. It works with futures, it works with forex, it works with stocks, but the trade last night was on crypto futures, so that's what I'm gonna be breaking down. Okay, so for step number 2, we have 4 different screenshots going all the way from how to create your buys in the 1 minute to then waiting for our 1 minute confirmation to then placing our order and the type of order, and last but not least, how we go break even and how we take profit. So how do we come up with our trend in the 1 minute? And it's the same way that we did it with the other time frames, which is waiting for structure. And you guys can see right here, price was creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. But then our latest break ends up being bullish. So right here, we're good to look for our confirmation. But this whole time that it was breaking down, we weren't doing anything. So we had to wait for there to be the exact same trend as the higher time frame. So just a bullish trend. And screenshot number 2, then we need our confirmation. Confirmation is just gonna be, I was waiting for price to come back into our area, which you guys can see, this is our area now from this high to this low. That's basically the range. So we want price to come back in the range. As soon as it comes back in the range, then we can start looking to put our orders. For orders, we're gonna be putting buy stop orders. Why are we gonna do a buy stop or just stop orders in general? It's because we want to see momentum. If I don't see momentum, I'm not gonna be tapped in. What does that mean? That means that if price doesn't start shooting up, like you guys can see right here, we're not gonna be entered. And if it doesn't tap us in right away and goes up crazy, I have seen that most of the times, if it just fizzles to the side and like basically just does nothing, or to then just go in down, it's a loss. Or the other option is that it just goes down right away. Exactly why we don't just market enter or limit enter, because we want to see the momentum. And if we were limit entering, let's say if it goes up and then we put a limit order for us to get tapped in right here, then we'd be basically praying for there to be momentum and then no momentum. So then that's basically no, I'm not gonna be doing that. That's what we do, stop orders. Now guys, the stop order is gonna be placed at the current predicted high, which is right here, and the stop loss is gonna be placed under the current predicted low, just a little bit, like a pip underneath. Same thing for the entry, just a pip above the predicted high. And last but not least, how to go break even and take profit. Now for take profit, I target at 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. It depends on you, but always a minimum of a 1 to 2 are a multiple. That basically just means if you're risking $100, you're gonna come out with 200. For break even, I want a new range, a new break to be created outside of my entry. What does that mean? That means that we get tapped in right here. We want the new range to be created outside of this, outside of our entry. So this break doesn't count because the low is inside of our entry. This break right here doesn't count because the low is inside of our entry. The break that counts is this one. Why? Because both the predicted high and the predicted low are both outside of our entry. And that's it, guys. Now, I'm going to be breaking down a trade, well, the trade that made me $16,000 yesterday on TradingView, so you guys can see both real life examples, and of course right now I just explained to you the whole strategy. Let's get right into it though. Okay, so here we are in the daily. What can we see? We see that clearly price is going down, right? Exact way to know it is because we can see that there's lower lows and lower highs. So we got our high, then we got our low, and what's happening? We're getting lower lows and lower highs, 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 and so on and so forth. So the daily is bearish. So let's look at what's happening in the 4 hour, and just by seeing it right here, we can see that there are lower lows and lower highs. Oh my god, why do I keep doing the highs as the lows? Okay, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So both the 4 hour and the daily are bearish, making the bias in the whole overall trend bearish. So when we step down to the 1 minute, we're gonna be looking for sells. Well, that's what I did last night. Okay, so last night, what did we have? Price, I had price breaking up. So right here, we weren't doing anything. I was waiting for price to start breaking down. Okay, so here we have price starts breaking down, creating a lower low than the previous one. So we want price to come back into our range to then put our orders. Lo and behold, we do have price come back into our range, so we put our sell stop order right here, and our stop was right above here, always targeting at least a 1 to 2. In this case, we did hit our 1 to 3. It was a pretty big runner. Here you guys have it. But first of all, let's see if we get a break outside of our range, well, outside of our entry. After this break right here, because it's outside of our entry, we can go break even, and lo and behold, our TP gets hit at a 1 to 3. And that's exactly how we ended up making yesterday. Well, where I ended ended up making over $16,000. As always, thank you for watching. Somewhere here on the screen, I'm gonna pop up a playlist on exactly how to learn how to trade in 2025. And if you want my full free 5-hour course, just take the first link in the description. That's where you'll get the course and also the indicator. As always, hit that like, hit that sub, leave a comment. I love the feedback. See you guys on the next one.